Welcome to the IRC tutorial, IRC Collections, Conducting a Keyword Search. This tutorial presents how to use the library catalog to locate IRC collection items, such as material kits and book kits. It features conducting a keyword search and limiting results to Instructional Resource Center. On the library website, scroll down to the Research area and select Catalog from Library Resources. A keyword or word search can be done in 3 simple steps. First, verify the selection of the Keyword tab in the catalog homepage. Next, enter a search term. It can be a single word or phrase. For this example, we're going to search for fractions. After entering your term, submit. The initial search result returned 492 items, with the first 27 items listed as most relevant. Results include ebooks, juvenile books, main collection items, and select IRC resources. To view only IRC collection items, select Modify Search. Limit your results to the location Instructional Resource Center and submit. The modified results now number 33, with the most relevant 2 selected first. You will automatically see items by relevance. You can choose to view them by date and by title. All of these items have a location of Instructional Resource Center. Call numbers help identify item type. This result list includes activity books, materials kits, DVDs, and an algebra textbook. Additionally, status will note if the item is available, or it will present a due date if the resource is checked out. Select a title to view more information. For example, the magnetic fraction number lines. Choose Full Record to learn more about the item. You'll see a description, information about the item, grade levels, subjects that it pertains to, and alternate titles. Use Next and Previous to explore your results. You can also select Return to List to see your initially modified list. At this point, you would continue reviewing your results, or select Start Over to return to the catalog homepage. Other videos in this tutorial series feature using keyword and author search to locate children's books and exploring Content Cafe.